Use discount code JacobViral at Sky High, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
This song about to go on.
Okay. Ooh. Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here, man? I do a lot of YouTube videos.
I know who you are. I've
Okay.
been waiting to see you.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Mike Jones, 418 Platinums, bass 15K, 390X, alternator.
Yes, sir.
Got 8 AMG batteries back there.
Okay.
All right.
What's your box? Is it 4th or 6th order tuning on it?
6th order. Not exactly sure about the tuning. He just redid it the other day.
It's okay. Where's the rear port? The other port in the back?
We don't have one.
So it's 4th order. Okay.
Yeah, 4th
Got it. All right, 4th order. It's all good, man. Very nice. Looks really good, and you still have your head. What is it called? This part.
Sunroof.
Sunroof, sorry.
Yes.
Yeah, I had a brain fart for a minute.
Oh, shit, I have it all the time.
It's all good. I see the amp too? Amp to the back? Awesome. Nice doors, really heavy, sturdy door, man. Wow. This opens too for a picture, if that's okay. Nice. Looks really good. Thank you very much. All right, very nice, man. Yeah, I love the demo song. It's a good one.
Go on! next to us too.
Okay, I'll get a demo of that too. Thank you very much. What was your name?
Mike.
Mike. Mike, man. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters here. If you want to become part of the channel supporter group, check out the links in the description to do that. As well as, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at cardio sites such as Sky High, Xplicit, DroppinHz, Limitless, etc. Links in the description for that. And last but not least, I'm also on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Go ahead and join and follow me at all of them, as well as thank y'all for watching again and hitting the like button like you always do for daily videos and subscribing. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget, check out these as well if you would like, and I'll see you all in the next video. Stay tuned for more.